Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1 to 4, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. Look, she dash a book. The correct option is A, is reading. Look, she is reading a book. Question 2. I can't talk now. I dash dinner. The correct option is C. Am cooking. I can't talk now. I am cooking dinner. Question 3. They usually play football on Sundays, but today they dash basketball. The correct option is A. Are playing. They usually play football on Sundays, but today they are playing basketball. Question 4. He can't come to the phone. He dash a shower. The correct option is B. Is taking. He can't come to the phone. He is taking a shower. Question 5. We dash for the exam this week. The correct option is B. Are studying. We are studying for the exam this week. Question 6. My brother dash in London for a few months. The correct option is C. Is living. My brother is living in London for a few months. Question 7. She can't answer the door. She dash her homework. The correct option is A. Is doing. She can't answer the door. She is doing her homework. Question 8. Do not disturb them. They dash TV. The correct option is C. Are watching. Don't disturb them. They are watching TV. Question 9. Be quiet. The baby dash. The correct option is A. Is sleeping. Be quiet. The baby is sleeping. Question 10. This week, I dash at my cousin's house. The correct option is B. Am staying. This week, I am staying at my cousin's house. Question 11. She usually works at school, but today she dashed from home. The correct option is B, is working. She usually works at school, but today she is working from home. Question 12. Don't call me now. I dash a movie. The correct option is C, am watching. Don't call me now. I am watching a movie. Question 13. My parents dash to visit us next weekend. The correct option is A, are coming. My parents are coming to visit us next weekend. Question 14. She dash her friends tomorrow evening. The correct option is C, is meeting. She is meeting her friends tomorrow evening. Question 15. We dash a party on Saturday. The correct option is A, are having. We are having a party on Saturday. Question 16. He dashed to the dentist on Monday. The correct option is B, is going. He is going to the dentist on Monday. Question 17. I dash my cousin at the airport tomorrow. The correct option is B, am meeting. I am meeting my cousin at the airport tomorrow. Question 18. They dash their grandparents this weekend. The correct option is C, are visiting. They are visiting their grandparents this weekend. Question 19. We dash the new project next month. The correct option is A, are starting. We are starting the new project next month. Question 20. She dash shopping later today. The correct option is C, is going. She is going shopping later today. Question 21. The children dash in the garden now. The correct option is A. Are playing. The children are playing in the garden now. Question 22. I can't talk. I dash to my teacher right now. The correct option is B. Am speaking. I can't talk. I am speaking to my teacher right now. Question 23. He usually walks to school, but today he dashed the bus. The correct option is B. He usually walks to school, but today he is taking the bus. Question 24. Look, the birds dash in the sky. The correct option is C. Are flying. Look, the birds are flying in the sky. Question 25. We can't come now, we dash lunch. The correct option is C. Are eating. We can't come now, we are eating lunch. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.